Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Cyaxzolp AE60 Ultra Drone. I've looked through the information available across the internet, and today I'm going to break down what this drone offers and tell you whether I think you should buy it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Let's start with the camera system, because that's one of the biggest reasons to consider this drone. The AE60 Ultra uses a dual camera setup with a 4K main camera and a 5x zoom telephoto camera. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal is designed to stabilize the camera while the drone is moving, helping produce smoother footage than you would typically get from a basic electronically stabilized drone. The drone supports 4K video recording and claims 8K photo resolution. It also includes HDR and night enhancement features designed to improve brightness and detail in challenging lighting conditions. For landscape photography, travel videos, outdoor adventures, and general aerial content, that gives you plenty of creative options. Another major feature is the remote controller. Instead of requiring your smartphone, the AE60 Ultra comes with a built-in 7.2-inch Android touchscreen. That means you can view your flight and camera feed directly from the controller without tying up your phone. Cyaxzolp claims a transmission range of up to 7.5 miles using 5.8 GHz digital transmission, although real-world range will depend heavily on interference, terrain, regulations, and flying conditions. Battery capacity is also a major part of this package. You get 3 modular 9,800 mAh batteries, which should give you considerably more flying time between charging sessions than a single battery package. The drone also uses brushless motors designed to provide strong thrust and better stability in wind. The AE60 Ultra is foldable as well, making it easier to transport. Whether you're heading out for a hike, camping trip, fishing session, or photography adventure, the ability to fold the drone down and carry it with you is a practical advantage. Now let's talk about obstacle avoidance. This drone uses a laser-based system advertised as providing 360-degree obstacle detection, with a detection distance of up to 20 meters. Combined with GPS and optical flow positioning, the system is designed to help the drone avoid obstacles and maintain a stable position. You also get several return-to-home functions, including low battery return, signal loss return, and one-key return. These features can provide an extra layer of protection against losing the drone, although no obstacle avoidance or GPS system should be treated as a guarantee against crashes. The intelligent flight modes are another interesting addition. You get features such as Follow Me, Orbit Flight, Waypoint Flight, Fixed Point Hovering, and Time-Lapse Shooting. These automated modes can make it easier to capture dynamic footage without manually controlling every movement. But perhaps the most unusual feature is the airdrop system. Cyaxzolp claims the drone can carry up to 800 grams, allowing it to deliver small items, gifts, or fishing bait. That's a surprisingly high payload for a drone in this category. However, you should always check local aviation regulations before using an airdrop function or carrying anything that could create a safety hazard. There are also a few things I would keep in mind. Some of the headline specifications, such as 7.5-mile transmission distance, 8K photo output, and 800-gram payload, are manufacturer claims, so I wouldn't assume you'll achieve those numbers in every real-world situation. Actual performance will depend on conditions, settings, battery level, and how you operate the drone. After looking through the specifications and information available online, I think the Cyaxzolp AE60 Ultra is an interesting option for someone who wants a lot of features in one package. The 3-axis gimbal, dual cameras, large touchscreen controller, 3 batteries, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes give it a strong feature list. Would I buy it? I would consider it if I wanted a feature-rich drone for recreational flying and aerial photography, particularly because the dedicated touchscreen controller and 3-battery package are convenient. However, I would verify the seller's support, replacement parts availability, local flight regulations, and independent reviews before spending a significant amount of money. For beginners, the automated safety features can be helpful, but they shouldn't replace learning proper drone operation. And for professional filmmakers, I'd look at an established professional drone platform instead. So my final recommendation is yes, The AE60 Ultra is worth considering for recreational users who want a versatile camera drone with lots of features. But I would approach the headline specifications realistically and confirm local regulations before buying.